How you going, guys? It's Mead here, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through how to export your Facebook ads data to an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get straight into it. So you can see I'm in Facebook Ads Manager right now, and I've got a campaign open in the campaign editor, and I'm going to go to the top right and hit Reports and hit Export Table Data, which is going to export the data that is currently showing in the table. I'm going to choose CSV because it's a more universal format and hit Export. And that exports it from Facebook to a CSV file, which is a very universal spreadsheet file, versus XLS, which is a less universal, purely for Excel is what it's for. Now we can head to our downloads, see the CSV, we can open that up, and you can see that our ad data has been exported into this spreadsheet, which is super handy if you're sharing it with work friends, or work colleagues, business associates, sharing it to present to people, or you're just trying to convert it into graphical information. You can also open this up in Google Spreadsheets if you want to as well, by simply going File, Import, and then dragging the CSV into Google Spreadsheets, and that will import it into there. Now you want to note that Facebook has exported exactly what's in front of you in your Facebook Ads Manager here. And you can see that's exactly what's exported. So, and you can see that puts it in the most details it can. So you want to be able to edit these to make sure you've got the right data. And you can do that by having a look at this button here called Columns and Breakdowns. Now, when these work, they will show you a list of options that you can pull data of about your ads. Now, these aren't actually working right now. We'll just give it a minute. A bit embarrassing. Oh, hey, and they worked. Here they are. So you can see we can break down the data by a range of different choices. This is the default option. But in this case, we might want to look at the engagement and see who clicked on the ad, who commented, that sort of thing. And then if we exported this again, then we would have this data in the Excel spreadsheets. So keep in mind, what you export here will export on the spreadsheet. So make sure you customize your data first and then export it to get the best results. I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial on Facebook ads data reporting. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for supporting me and the channel. I'm watching it grow at the moment and I'm really loving it. Really enjoying making content, a lot of fun. I love it. Thanks once again, guys, for everything. Have a great day, keep well and safe out there. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.